Are you searching for a natural way to boost your health that doesn't break the bank or require drastic changes to your daily routine? Enter the humble chickpea, a powerhouse of nutrition that's likely sitting in your pantry right now. Packed with protein, fibre, and essential vitamins, chickpeas are not just good, they're great for your health. From stabilizing blood sugar to enhancing digestive health, the benefits are too significant to ignore. Don't wait to take control of your health and well-being. Start incorporating chickpeas into your diet today and feel the difference. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, have been a cornerstone in global diets for thousands of years. Originally domesticated in the Middle East and revered as one of the earliest cultivated legumes, chickpeas are incredibly versatile and star in several delicious main dishes such as chana masala, a popular Indian curry made with chickpeas simmered in a spicy, tangy tomato-based sauce, often enriched with onions, garlic, and aromatic spices like cumin and coriander. Hummus, made from pureed chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic, can also be a fulfilling main dish when accompanied by warm pita bread and fresh vegetables. Falafel. These are deep-fried balls or patties made from ground chickpeas mixed with herbs and spices. As you explore the culinary versatility of chickpeas in dishes like chana masala, hummus, and falafel, it's also worth diving into the impressive array of health benefits they offer. Chickpeas are a powerhouse of nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. Rich in protein, chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent food choice for vegetarians and vegans. High fibre content. They are packed with dietary fibre, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Supports weight management. The fibre and protein in chickpeas help to keep you feeling full longer, reducing appetite and aiding in weight management. Blood sugar regulation. The low glycemic index, GI, of chickpeas helps in controlling blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. Heart health. Chickpeas contain significant amounts of heart-healthy nutrients, including magnesium and potassium, which help reduce blood pressure. The soluble fiber also helps to lower cholesterol levels. Rich in vitamins and minerals, they are a good source of iron, folate, phosphorus, and B vitamins, all essential for optimal health. Bone health. The iron, phosphate, calcium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, and vitamin K content in chickpeas all contribute to building and maintaining bone structure and strength. Reduced risk of cancer. Saponins, which are phytochemicals present in chickpeas, may help prevent the development of certain cancers. Chickpeas also contain selenium, which helps detoxify some cancer-causing compounds in the body. Improved mental health. Chickpeas contain choline, which plays a crucial role in brain health and may help improve memory and mood. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chickpeas contain antioxidants like flavonoids, polyphenols, and beta-carotene, which combat inflammation and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And there you have it. From boosting your health with fiber and protein to spicing up your meals in the kitchen, chickpeas truly are little gems of nutrition. Whether you toss them in a salad, blend them into hummus, or make them the star of your main dish, they're sure to offer both a feast for your taste buds and a boost for your health. So why not give chickpeas a chance to shine in your next meal? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on more tasty tips and healthy tricks. Here's to good food and great health. Thanks for watching.